Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing's set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if minute up on the beat and as you can see pan on the screen. We have a whole lot to discuss when it comes to the royals of dancehall. As you can see, the Princess Shenseea and Vibes Cartel just trap them it song Panic and the video they're on in Vivo channel. I'm not going to lie to you, my people. Vibes Cartel and Shenseea definitely have some good chemistry when it comes to them on the track. We don't know the thing transpired with Ludi, whatever or whatnot. It was still a hit, and this one is definitely burning up the streets. Listen, I see my people putting out the comment section where you think about that. Because I'm not gonna lie to you, it's definitely a hit. You see, I say, but speaking about King and Princess, we have to talk about the Queen because she said she is doodling on new itches. This is my say, as you can see in the caption, she says she got flush, you know what I mean? And it look like Spice finally get the body she did desire when she got to DR. Remember what happened in Dominican Republic, you see my say. But me not gonna lie to you, girl look flawless right now. But speaking about Spice, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. She chime into ROSEALEE situation a little bit with her mother. Me not gonna lie to you, Spice. It look like ROSEALEE, they tell one wicked lie on your podcast. You see what I say? So let's take a quick listen and then we'll proceed with the next.
That really brought you there, push it over the edge. What was that?
My own mother want bad mind me. I said to her, say, I'm a mother. This is the media. Say, me go you see them do me, I saw them I go do you. Me can't, them a class me over there, them I go class you over there. You come in at the house with man at the doorway. See me, huh? So I say, you care man to me, fam. You know, come in and go on with your business, me not trouble you.
She brought a man to you?
Yes, she brought a man to me.
To do what?
Me don't know.
Like a fight?
Like almost a physical fight. So I ask him, him say she carry him. So if you carry man to me, I'm not trouble you. You will live. I'm moving on. I'm not living there anymore. But when I was living there, you were living at the front and I was living run at the back. And if you have came and went into your part of
No, the reason why I said, she's lying on Spice's coach is because that's what the people them is saying in my comment section. This is what I say, because say ROSEALEE system and mother and things they are yard. Yes, people, ROSEALEE family from the ghetto visit her in the suburbs at her new house. This is what I say, and the people them say she's over there conspiring to bring down Jakes. So you know what there, she like some dirty family history that Jakes to that deal with her 14-year-old sister away. You see, I say, I know we say all of them line up at the yard and you don't hear what transpired with the woman and all of them things. You see, I say, but nevertheless, it's justice for Rose, because Rose have our team out there depend on her. You see, I say, and they want the best for her, you feel me? And they want the government to send on back our youth. And they look like they're going to take it to the streets and protest and petition for CDA to release the picnic them in our Rose custody. So let's hear what I go on for that to go on. And proceed with the next.
The children is what child services should be all about. The best interest of the kids. Who is putting the kids first here? How is this putting the kids
Kwana,
first?
you did it. Good
and the
job.
woman a ball for her picnic. She want her picnic them back. She wants them.
Like she said, where was CDA when she never have dry shit in her backside and she dug
Where
a
was
dung with
CDA
her
when
picnic
she
them in
when
a
she
crate
tie them on
asleep?
on her? When
Where
rain come
were
wet
they when she
her,
Yeah,
could have
her
where
put
sun come
CDA
dry
them? Where
her.
CDA did
Where
there?
where
Where
them
CDA did
did
there.
there?
CDA did there?
CDA where you
Need
did there one time my
justice.
mama draw my
Yo,
shit
the
off
more
of
me
me
hear about it, it get me
CDA.
sick,
Not
bro.
see to change
CDA
your
me used to
DP
get some
picture.
lick in my bum
Make
box
you feel
fire
corrupt.
did there.
Yeah, she not even know, bro.
Kadian, change your picture, guys. Change your picture. That's what we're focused on. Change your picture and put this up
CDA
for
for
now.
going, man.
No, I tell them say nothing but they want our money and she not give them. Because I don't see why she forgive them. Them very corrupt. Everything a Jamaica have to do with money.
Not type F1. Why not type F1? What
All
the
right.
F1
Me
is all about?
Guys,
I go
stop
now.
up the screen
Me I plead to everybody right now, to all 570 of people that are sitting on
and
this line.
support the live goal.
I am pleading to every one of you. If you guys are for Rose, Please stop feeding into the negativity. Stop going over to the enemy's camp. Stop going on their live. Stop screenshotting. Stop giving them the
On to
views.
them.
Don't comment in it. Don't fight for Rosie night. No do no night because every comment, good or bad, a money you not put in them pocket.
Yes.
Every views, good or bad, a money you not put in our pocket. Black. Scroll past, make them be. Eventually, they're gonna die out. How are we gonna fight this? Me telling you already. A one way you can beat eight and a true love. You know, never can beat them if every time they come out, we are attack. It will never, nothing not gonna solve that way there.
Yeah.
Me I tell you that. We have to change the tactic of how we are move forward. And the way we are gonna move forward is positive, 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 positive energy only.
KD, I need you to just give me a minute. Samantha, may I go tell you, if you have an Android, you see the picture that Chera has up in her box? If you click on that,
you can't go to school out that to them, you know, them. And I know, you know, bestie. Everybody's supposed to know about phone, you know, bro.
Yeah.
If you want that, depend your DP, bro. Or you change your DP on TikTok. Make it make sense. If your auntie, if your little sister, if your daughter change it for you, when she reach home or when she in the house, you got to her, bro. Now I get my car up now, you know.
Is good.
Now I get my car up now, you know. Every minute bestie of you. So over. We do no, baby, man. If you don't know about TikTok, come off. We are talking about justice now. Screenshot the something and put up on your DP. What in that, bro? Come on, now, even the school children in England know this, man. What the hell, man?
Put in the comment section what you think about Team ROSEALEE saying what they must say. Because some of them call them enablers, you know. But they must let you know they are no strangers to this. And there's somebody with personal vendetta against ROSEALEE that's doing this to her. Because them just a watch out our business. So let's hear a little bit more while going for not to go on and we proceed with the next.
Somebody just texted me. Hear this text so I get thank you, keep them coming. Roger, my friend, aunt worked at CDA and she told her how much people on TikTok call CDA every day and report Rose. And that's why they don't open up a case against Rose. They've been going to house and Rose and Jakes keep running them away instead of try to work with them and prevent the kids from get taken away. But you can't really write, you know, I can't understand you. You start so down.
ROSEALEE did say that, but she said when they used to call her for her. I have a question for her because I realized that she, on her profile, she said she's an RN. And in America, you want to justify in America of her losing her kids. How many women of addiction here in America still have their kids? And the system knows about it. How many have you seen? Hold on, guys. How many have you seen in your ER?
Only for them.
Is it, what's her name? Is it Carrie?
Queen Carrie.
Queen Carrie?
She gone silent. MIA.
Cause that's what I want to ask her because I'm in the medical field as well too. And I want to know. Yeah, I want to know how many you live in America, and I see on your account that you're an RN or you're affiliated with the medical field. How many drug addiction mother have you treated in your ER? And how many of them still have their kids with them that the American system knows about and they still have their kids overdose and everything?
Miss, as a nurse practitioner, somebody who is in mental health, I can tell you categorically, even when a woman comes in and they are on drugs in the system, what I know of and the state that I work in, and you still need to understand that every state have different laws, the mother does not go home with that child.
No. The mother does not.
And as I said, the state that the mother does not go home Is either the father who has taken several drug tests, or another parent might get that child, or
And
somebody
I
else will
can
have
tell
that
you that's
child.
a lie. And
Miss,
No, me
you
I
can
never
say
work
it.
a
You
system, but
can
I'm gonna do
say
that
that
back
you
clear.
cannot say it is a
Because one
lie.
second, if you
I
while
Remember
am
them I
that.
in
do
the
that back
medical.
clear,
I
wanna
am
drop the
in the
gifts them.
medical.
I may have beg
I am
something like
in the
cash up PayPal
medical
or
field
Zelle.
as well, and
And
I
so them
can tell
always come
you
up and
that's
go on
a
like say true them have
lie.
RN.
No, wait.
No, listen, we're gonna be
Wait,
respectful.
wait,
One thing we're going to
Miss,
do, one
yes,
second,
I
just
hello,
please tell them
hello,
to be
hello, hello,
respectful,
one
because
second.
I'm not gonna do
One second,
disrespect.
1 second. One thing we're going to do, we're going to be respectful. If we disagree respectfully. We don't want to disrespectful words. We not going to agree upon everything. You saw me disagree with her and me take her back to basic. We can disagree and we take her back
to
to basic.
agree.
You understand me? So,
Yes,
me no want to
ladies, hold
disagree.
on.
Me no want a disrespectful thing I go on.
Fine,
I
you
see
can
mothers.
say it has not
I
happened
see
in
I
your
know.
area, but you cannot say it
And
is a
chat. So I
lie
tell my daughter
on
suck
my
your
I
mother and
see
I
side.
went in and
mothers.
I will
I see
complain.
mothers overdose with their kids, and the only thing the system here in America do is only tell them to go do parenting class for 30 days and they get back their kids. So don't come use the American system
Okay, and
against
you
So
us.
see
it's
that,
called
you
Because
see
I
that they,
know what I
rehabilitation. That's what
know.
me I
and
tell
you
you, so
see
them
that
not
they
try
did
with
some,
Rose.
you see that they tell them to do something. It's
Yeah,
not
but
that they
that's what I
send
was
them.
telling you,
But that's
Kerry.
the thing
Them never
about
tried me. I
it.
was telling you about
Do
rehabilitation.
you know
Them not
if they
try
are trying
rehabilitate
with
Rose.
her? So I'm saying now she withdraw and everything because if
So it's
everybody
like they
want
not looking them not looking at that part. And anybody will send this some of them to CDA know what them I do. That's why I
exactly,
know that it's a personal
it's
vendetta.
personal.
Me
It's
know it
personal.
personal. That's why I know it personal. Because just like how them can watch when she said them support her watch to see her improvement. Them support her watch. Because let me tell you about something someone that's depressed. You see when they can accept what they did and accept
Exactly.
that what it was wrong, you will be deemed
You
fit.
will, yes, you will get withdrawal.
That's why I disagree with Kerry so much. Because the moment you accept it and you accept that you know that I made a mistake and I
Yeah,
would
like,
never do
whoa, I
that,
made this mistake. I
you
should
will
never
be
say that.
redeemed fit. You understand what I'm saying? So them just argue one basket for carry water where she not deserve. I
Because
mean, I
Roger, if you're
like
not in
it.
your right mind, whatever you say.
Justified. She wasn't taking the call. She's a social media influencer. She's a social media influencer and people give out her number. She's harassed by phone calls daily. You think somebody calling her to tell her that they're calling from the CDA, she's going to believe them? When they make fun of our kids every day, them bring down our kids every day.
And bring down she.
And CDA should have
The
justified
Zelle,
that.
who want the Zelle? Who just asked for the Zelle? Them take away Rose kids. Charmaine text me.
Like Rose say, if money could have buy her
Text me
happiness,
when me I
should
text
have
you,
our
Charmaine.
children them.
You know
Yeah.
what them do now when Rose slip up? Them send it to them big friend them. So now them have grown. So you see the groans what them have? And you see true it a come from them big friend them. You notice? GX get a plan. Forget back the pid to them. What him can do, forget back the kids and Rose never get one.
And
But
it is
that
Rosa,
not
can
means
I,
that
fair.
the
It's
kids
not
Rosa,
were
can I
old.
supposed
say
to.
something? Yeah. But even when
No, she
the
lick her
first
bad
time,
teacher, take up her bad teacher. So.
but even the first time when Rose tried to go, Jake has never been to the court ever. Remember that Jake has never been to the court.
She go all of the counseling them, she go all of the meeting them. And remember, after the meeting and the counseling and go everything, them give her back the kids them for go up on weekend. Them did give her the kids them for the kids them come look for her on weekend.
She still
And
get them
something
per
go.
weekend.
Yes, after listening, do you think there were some valid discussions made? You see, I say, because I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a whole lot, and I really don't know what's going to transpire in the end. But to know what to do, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, therefore you'll be notified whenever I update them story. Yeah, yes, this is because it's just a lot. And if you want to check out the full podcast thing with Spice, you can go up on our Viva channel, Lisa and them people there. over this as well. It's a mass, my people. Bless.